Alright, what's up guys? We're back in the shop tonight. Got the Mustang inside. I'm gonna be stripping some stuff and hopefully priming it tonight. Sort of the cowl area and a little below that. Just got done riding the motorcycle. I need to do a quick oil change on my daily, which is the Jeep Wrangler, and then we'll get into it. Alright, let's go. Alright, so this is the back side of the deck lid. It's pretty cool. You can see where someone had taken the original jack sticker off, and you can see the original color under there. It's pretty neat. But I need to get this weather strip off, and I need to clean up all these edges and see if this deck lid is salvageable. Alright, so now that I got the old weather strip off that is glued on, I'm gonna start hitting all this old steam sealer and this rust with a wire wheel just to see what's under it. As you can see, there's just a lot of holes through there. Kind of sucks. I could try tacking. I could try welding it, but probably be a lot of work trying to grind that in there. And then it's probably hard to see, but you can see there's rust on the inside of the deck lid as well. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna try to save it yet. It might be one of those things that I just fix for now and sort of put a band-aid on it for now and then replace it down the road. Still not sure. Leave some comments below what you think I should do. Alright, so what I'm finding is a lot of layers. I counted 7 if you go through them all. But this layer here, this slightly darker or more green layer, almost looks like a glaze coat to me. Like maybe someone wiped the whole thing at one point. I'm still trying to decide whether I want to save this deck lid or not.
One hour later.
Alright guys, so I got the cowl primed. I didn't end up priming this part down here yet just because there's a few more things that I need to get feathered out. Just make it look a little nicer so it's not rough whenever I prime it. The cowl came out great. I'm really surprised because I don't paint often, and yeah, I'm just happy with how it came out. But there's no runs or anything like that, so that's good. It is Eastwood's epoxy primer. It's a 1-to-1 ratio, so it's pretty easy to mix. I just put it in a mixing cup and then put it straight in the gun and sprayed it. I ended up using my Iwata LPH 400 with the Harbor Freight cup because I still want to get a cup system and I'm not sure which one I want to go with. I know DeVilbiss makes one, PPG. I know that our shop here uses PPG, the 2.0 PPS system. So I'm looking into those. It's just a matter of pulling the trigger on one. But yeah, I'm gonna call it a night. I feel like I made some progress. Still a lot to do. But yeah, stay tuned. Subscribe if you haven't, and keep watching.
Why not snorting? Bells will ring, ting-a-ling-a-ling, ting-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling, and you'll sing Vita Bella. Hearts will play tippy-tippy-tay, tippy-tippy-tippy-tippy-tay, tippy-tippy, like a guitar-andella.